As the tensions with China along the line of actual control lack in eastern Ladakh continue, Defense Minister Rajnath Singh on Sunday said that the Indian Army won't let anyone take even an inch of the country's land. He added that India wants the standoff to end and peace to be restored in the sector. The minister also hailed the Braveheart soldiers stationed at the border and stated that their efforts will be written in golden words in history. Singh is currently on two-day visit to West Bengal and Sikkim, where he performed Shastra Puja with soldiers near the China border. His visit comes in order to boost the morale of Indian troops deployed against the People's Liberation Army, PLA, at the border. He also reviewed the army's preparedness against the Chinese troops. Even after 7 rounds of military-level talks between the two nations, the disengagement and the escalation process in the tense Ladakh region has not moved forward. The commanders are expected to meet for the 8th round of talks next week. India and China have been engaged in a border standoff since April-May this year. Apart from Ladakh, a tense confrontation between Indian and Chinese soldiers also took place in North Sikkim in early May. The standoff, currently in its 6th month, has taken India-China ties to a new low, with troops even firing warning shots at friction points in August-September, the first such instance since October 1975.
Subscribe to Daily Defense and never miss any of our updates.